Welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Let's start our class. In previous lectures we have covered exercise 2.1 and 2.2, right? So today we will discuss exercise 2.3. So open your books, open page number 26, open book page number 26, exercise 2.6. Question 1. Read the question. Estimate the sum of the following. Estimate the sum of the following by rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100 and also find the actual term. Here in this question you have to perform two tasks, right? First task is you have to find the actual sum and the second task is you have to find the sum but with some estimated sum. That is, after rounding of number you will find the sum. So let's start doing this. Question 1, part A. Two addends are there. One first addend and second addend. First addend is 2,64,576 and second addend is 3,67,634. Right? So concentrate on the board. Actual sum I am writing here. Here you will show actual sum. So I am writing the first number 2,64,576. Right? Now write its rounded off value. Make a straight arrow line. Round off nearest to, as in your question you have to round off the number nearest to 100. So on arrow what I am writing? I am writing round off nearest to 100. Do not use red pen. Do not use red pen in your copy, okay? It is only used for teachers. Now round off this number to nearest 100. Round off this number nearest to 100. To round off what we do? To round off nearest to 100 what we do? We check the just right to the tens place, okay? So here we have discussed the round off topic in chapter 1, right? So if you forget the concept of round off, then rewatch the video of round off exercise. Okay, so for rounding of this large number to nearest 100, what you will do? You will check just a right digit to the hundreds place, as just a right digit is 7. So if just a right digit is 7, what you do? You add +1 to the hundreds place, right? And as you observe that in 100, one sentence digits are 0. So what you have to do? You have to make its one sentence digit of this number make 0. So after rounding off, our number is 2,64,600. Okay. Now move to the next addend. Your next addend is 3,67,634. Now round off this number to nearest 100. Be remember, do not use red pen in your copy. Make a straight arrow, round off nearest to 100. Now round off this number nearest to 100. Again you are rounding off nearest to 100, so you will check the tens place. At tens place 3 is there, so what you will do? Do not keep 6 as it is and make the last two digits 0. So when you round off this number, you got 3,67,600. Okay. Now you have to perform two tasks in this question. First task is find actual sum. Another task is find estimated sum. Estimated sum is the sum of the rounded off numbers, right? So here you will show estimated sum. Okay. This is estimated sum. Here you will perform actual sum. So for finding the sum, what you do? You arrange the numbers column wise. So I already wrote the numbers in column. Okay. Now you want to find the sum, so put the plus symbol. Now start adding. 6 plus 4. Tell me, 6 plus 4 is? Okay, count fast. 6 plus 4 is? Right, 10. So I will put 0 at one's place and 1 will be with the tens column. Okay, now add the digits in tens column. Add 1 plus 7 plus 3. How much you got? 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11. So I will write 1 over here and 1 will be regrouped with the next column, right? Now add the digits in the hundreds column. 1 plus 5 plus 6. 1 plus 5 is 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus 6 is, give me answer fast, 6 plus 6, right, 6 plus 6 is 12. So you will write 2 here and 1 is 1 carried over with the in the next column. Okay, now add all the digits in the thousands column. Add 1 plus 4 plus 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is, count fast and give me answer. 5 plus 7, right, 5 plus 7 is 12. So again I will write 2 here and 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add the digits in the 10,000s column. 1 plus 6 plus 6. 1 plus 6 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, right? And 7 plus 6. Count fast. 7 plus 6. Right, 13. So you will write 3 over here and 1 is carried over in the next column. Now add the digits of the last column, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. So it is our actual sum. It is our actual sum. Now find the estimated sum. So again the numbers are, I have already written the numbers according to column wise, so directly I will add. We remember always start adding from the ones column. So let's start adding. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. Last 6 plus 6. Right. 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add the 1 plus 4 plus 7 and give me answer. 1 plus 4 plus 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is, right, again 12. So you will write 2 here and 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add the digits in the next column. 1 plus 6 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 6 is 13. So you will write 3 over here and 1 is regrouped with the last column. Now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and plus 3 is 6. Okay. So this is how we perform we find the actual sum and estimated sum. Let's do question number B. let's do question number D. Now B and C is your homework part. We are going to do the last question, question number D. If you forget how to round off the numbers, then please rewatch and keep practicing the rounding of numbers. Let us do part D, in which three addends are given. First addend is 42,352 plus 45,237 plus 62,378. Three addends are given there. Okay. Again we know that we have to perform two tasks, that is find actual sum and find estimated sum. So let's write first addend 42,352. Now round up this number to nearest 100. Why we are rounding nearest to 100? Because in question they asked, that is why we are rounding nearest to 100. Okay. Now round up this number nearest to 100. For rounding off, what you will do, you will check the tens digit. Tens digit is 5. So according to rule, what you will do, you will add +1 to the hundreds place and make tens and ones and tens place to 0. After rounding off, you will get 42,400. Okay. Now next addend. Your second addend is 45,237. Right? Now round off this number to nearest 100. For rounding off, what you will do? You will check the tens place. You see that here at tens place 3 is there. So according to rule 1, what you will do? You will keep the hundreds digit as it is and make ones and tens place to 0. Okay. So after rounding off, you got 45,200. Right? Now you see that we have rounded off both the numbers. We have one more number, that is 62,378. Now round up this number nearest to 100. Be remember, do not use red pen in your copy. It is for only teachers. Round off nearest to 100. Now round off this number nearest to 100. What you have to do, you will check the tens place. As tens place is 7 here, so you will add 1 to the hundreds place digit, and it becomes, when you add 1, 2, 3, what you will get? You will get 4, right? And ones and tens place you have to make 0. So after rounding off, your number becomes 62,400. Right? Now you want to find the actual sum. So put plus symbol here and add this. And when you want to find estimated sum, what you will do? You will add all the estimated answers. So let us add these numbers. Always start adding from the ones column. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is, count fast, 6 plus 4 is 10. So you will write 0 here and 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 3 plus 5 is, count fast, 3 plus 5, right, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So you will write 0 here, 1 is regrouped with the next column. Be remember, you will write the carries or borrows in the circle to show the carries and borrows make a round circle on the number. Okay, now add the digits in the last column. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4, first 5 plus 4, yes, 5 plus 4 is 9. Now 9 plus 6, add fast, 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 and 15. You got 15. So you will write 5 here and 1 in the next place. Okay, now add these. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is, count fast, 9 plus 8. Right, you got 17. So you will write 7 here and 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now add the digits in the tens column. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is, right, 9. Now 9 plus 7. Add fast. 9 plus 7 is 16. So you will write 6 here. 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add the digits in this column. 1 plus 3. 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is, right, 6. 6 plus 3 is, 6 plus 3 is, right, 9. Now add the digits in the next column. 2 plus 5 plus 2. Add fast. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So write 9 over here. Now add the digits of the last column. 4 plus 4 plus 6. 4 plus 4, 8. And 8 plus 6. Count fast. 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, so your actual sum is 1,49,967 and your estimated sum is 1,50,000. Okay, question number 1 is over here. Part B and part C you have to do by yourself. Now question 2. Question 2 we will do. Read the question. Read the question. Okay. Estimate the sum of the following by rounding of the numbers to nearest 1000. Now here notice that you have to perform the same question, but what is the change in the question? Now you have to round up the number nearest to 1000. Right now what we were doing? We were rounding off number to 100 then adding. Here you have to round off the number to nearest 1000. Then you have to perform the addition, right? Okay. Question 2, part A. Addends are 32,425 and second addend is 53,436. Okay, I am writing first addend here 32,425. Now round up this number nearest to 100? No, nearest to 1000 as they asked in the question. Okay. Now round up this number nearest to 1000 and write the answer over here. For rounding of the number nearest to 1000, which digit you will check? You will check just the right digit to the thousands place at just the right place. 4 is there. Okay, so what is the rule? The rule is that you will keep the thousands place as it is and make ones, tens and hundreds place to 0. So your rounded off number is 32,000, right? Okay. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. Count 5 plus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So you will write 1 over here at one column and the other one is regrouped with the next column. Now add the digits in the tens column. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is right 6. Now add the digits in the next column. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Now next column, add the digits. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now add the digits in the last column. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Very good. This is our actual sum. Now come to this part, estimated sum. We arrange the numbers column wise already. Now put the plus symbol. Now start adding. We remember always start adding from the ones column. Now add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now the last column, 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. So 85,861 is the actual sum and 85,000 is our estimated sum. Now B and C part is your homework. Let us do question number D or part D. In question number D, 3 addends are given, which are 32,356 is the first addend plus 45,234 is the second addend plus 56,237 is the third addend. Now again we will write the first addend. 32,356 and we round this number to nearest 1,000. So round off this number for rounding off the number nearest to 1,000. Which digit you will check? You will check the hundreds digit. At hundreds digit 3 is there. So what you will do? According to rule, you will keep the thousands digit as it is and make ones, tens and hundreds place to 0. So after rounding off this number, you will get 32,000. Okay. After rounding off the number, you got 32,000. Now turn of the next addend. Your next addend is 45,234. Now round off this number nearest to 1,000. For rounding of number nearest to 1,000, what we do? We check the hundreds place digit. When you check, you see that here 2 is there at hundreds place. As 2 is there, according to rule, what we do? We keep the thousands place as it is and make ones, tens and hundreds place to 0. Okay. So after rounding off, we got 4, 5 and the last 3 digits 0. Okay. So after rounding off 45,234 nearest to 1,000, we got 45,000. Now your last number is 56,237. Now round off this number to nearest round off which digit you will check? You will check the hundreds place digit. As at hundreds place digit 2 is there, so according to rule, what you do? No need to change thousands digit, and you will make ones, tens and hundreds digit to 0. So after rounding off, we got 56,000. Now find the sum. For finding the sum, you have to arrange the numbers column wise. Put the plus symbol. Now add 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So I am writing 7 here and 1 in the 1 is carried over. Now add the digits in the tens column. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So you will write 2 over here. 1 is regrouped with the next column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is. Tell me the answer fast. 7 plus 6. 13. So 3 here, 1 is carried over. 1 plus 4 is, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5, count fast. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay. We got our actual sum. Now find the estimated sum. Start adding the numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Now add the digits. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 is, count, 7 plus 6. You can count on fingers or you can draw these sticks to count. 7 plus 6 is, you will write 3 over here and 1 is regrouped with the next column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, so 1,33,827 is your actual sum and 1,33,000 is your estimated sum. So our exercise is over here. Be remember, if you forget the concept of round off, then rewatch the video of the round off topic from the chapter 1. Okay, till then keep practicing. Bye students.